Today I'd like to discuss with you EquiVision's 21-day Hindgut health program. This program will allow you to quickly heal any problems your horse might have with his large intestine. In a previous presentation, we discussed what the horse's large intestine does, what can possibly go wrong with it, how to diagnose if your horse is having a problem, and in this presentation we're going to discuss how to fix those problems. EquiVision's 21-day Hindgut health program is designed to do three things. It's designed to reduce inflammation of the hindgut, it's designed to increase the immunity or the immune function of the large intestine, and it's also designed to reestablish and maintain a healthy, active, viable microbial population in the large intestine. When we have healthy fermentation in the horse's large intestine, we're going to have a horse that's got a good appetite, a good attitude, and plenty of energy to do whatever you might ask him or her to do. Now, the Hindgut Health program is made up of three separate products, all combined into one convenient box for you to easily implement in your horse's dietary program. The first product that's in the Hindgut Health program is the fish oil factor. Our fish oil factor is actually a mixture of stabilized flax, rice bran, fish oil concentrate, and a proprietary blend of antioxidants. It's a granular product, so it's very easy to mix in with your horse's feed. It's also very palatable. The reason we utilize the fish oil factor in a Hindgut health program is the omega-3 fatty acids found in the fish oil factor are anti-inflammatory for intestinal tissue. If I've got hindgut inflammation, I need to reduce that inflammation. And it's with the use of the omega-3 fatty acids and their effect on the prostaglandins and other inflammatory components and anti-inflammatory components that are activated by the fish oil factor that help reduce inflammation in the horse's large intestine. We also use a product called ADR. This is a proprietary blend of probiotics and prebiotics, primarily mannan-oligosaccharides, beta-glycans, as well as active live bacteria themselves. The ADR in the Hindgut Health program is presented in two forms. We have ADR paste as well as ADR powder. The reason we use the ADR paste is to start the program. We use it to jumpstart fermentation in the horse's large intestine. We prefer that when you start using the ADR paste, we'd like for you to dose it approximately 15 to 20 minutes prior to giving the horse any food. The reason for this is that when you do dose it on that timing, you increase the percentage of the product that actually travels all the way through the stomach, through the small intestine, and gets all the way back into the large intestine, which is exactly where you want those mannan-oligosaccharides and those probiotics. So after 4 days of using the paste, then we switch to the ADR powder. And the ADR powder will then be mixed with the horse's food, and it's used to maintain the good fermentation that we established with the paste. So between these three products, the fish oil factor, the ADR paste, and the ADR powder, we address our three objectives: reduce inflammation, boost the immune system with the ADR, and also reestablish active fermentation with the ADR paste and the ADR powder. History tells us that within approximately 10 to 14 days, your horse should have a noticeable improvement in either his appetite or his attitude on this program. The kit contains enough product for 21 days. And we have yet to have a horse that has not responded within the 21 days that we felt actually had hindgut health problems. So by using EquiVision's 21-day Hindgut Health program, you can very easily and very quickly get your horse back on track to not only overall good health, but then also optimal performance.